push-up for beginners. Follow me, the form is very important. First, lie on your chest with feet together or shoulder width apart, approximately 12 inches apart. Chest touching the ground, like this. Next, place your hands at the level of the chest with fingers straight up on the floor. Elbows flexed at approximately 45 degrees angle. Hands should not be too high or too low. Should be like this. Then, tuck the stomach in, squeeze the butt and slowly raise the chest up, straightening the elbow. Breathe in as you rise. Body should be in a straight line or parallel to the ground, up. Lower the body down touching the ground. Exhale as you go down. Body should be in a straight line or parallel to the ground. Down. Do the whole exercise again with the form in mind. Do 5 reps initially at 3 sets or as much as you can. Increase repetitions as time goes. Ready to try it now?